Welcome to another insightful video. Today's topic is, what foods prevent heart disease? Now, heart disease is not something to be taken lightly. It's a significant health concern globally, and believe it or not, what we eat plays a crucial role in maintaining our heart health. You see, our diet can either be our best friend or our worst enemy when it comes to heart disease. Foods high in saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol can clog our arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. On the flip side, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help keep our hearts in top shape. It's important to remember that heart disease doesn't develop overnight. It's the result of long-term dietary habits. So, the sooner we start making healthier food choices, the better our chances of preventing heart disease. So, what foods can help in preventing heart disease? Let's dive into it. Scene script. First up, fruits and vegetables. Nature's bounty is a treasure trove of heart-healthy foods. Let's delve into the world of fruits and vegetables, shall we? These colorful and delicious foods are not just for show. They are packed full of nutrients that are essential for heart health. For instance, leafy green vegetables such as spinach, lettuce, and kale are known to be rich in vitamins and minerals that help your heart maintain its rhythm and function. Berries, on the other hand, are a sweet delight that comes with numerous benefits. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. They are bursting with antioxidants, which are substances that help prevent and repair damage to your body's cells. Antioxidants like these are crucial in fighting off heart disease. But that's not all. These nutritious foods are also an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber helps control your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering your cholesterol. Now, let's talk about variety. A wide range of fruits and vegetables in your diet ensures you get a mix of different nutrients. So, go on and add a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to your plate. You might be surprised at the difference it can make to your heart health. So, aim to add more fruits and vegetables into your daily meals. Next, let's talk about whole grains, an important part of a heart-healthy diet. Whole grains are unrefined grains that haven't had their bran and germ removed by milling. This means they are full of fiber, a nutrient that helps regulate your blood sugar and keeps your heart beating strong. They also contain valuable antioxidants not found in fruits and vegetables, as well as B vitamins, vitamin E, magnesium, and iron. Examples of whole grains include oats, brown rice, and whole grain bread. Oats, for instance, are packed with soluble fiber, which can lower your low-density lipoprotein, or bad, cholesterol. Brown rice, on the other hand, is rich in heart-healthy fiber, and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. And when it comes to bread, opt for loaves labeled whole grain. Remember, when you're shopping for bread or cereal, look for the words whole grain. Moving on, let's consider healthy proteins, another crucial part of a heart-healthy diet. Proteins are the building blocks of life, and they play a vital role in our bodies. They help us build muscle, support our immune system, and even give us energy. But not all proteins are created equal when it comes to heart health. Lean proteins such as fish, poultry, and legumes are excellent choices for a heart-healthy diet. Fish, especially fatty ones like salmon or mackerel, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation in the body and support heart health. Poultry, like chicken or turkey, when skinless and grilled, baked, or broiled, can be a great source of lean protein. Legumes, which include beans, lentils, and peas, are not only packed with protein but also contain a good amount of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol. On the other hand, red meat and processed meats come with risks. They often contain high levels of saturated fats, which can increase your cholesterol levels, and by extension, your risk of heart disease. Processed meats, like sausages and hot dogs, also often contain preservatives and sodium, which can increase blood pressure. So next time you're planning a meal, think about swapping out that steak for a piece of grilled salmon. It's a simple change, but it could make a big difference in your heart health. Another category of heart-healthy foods includes nuts and seeds. These small yet mighty morsels pack a significant punch when it comes to heart health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, along with seeds such as chia, flax, and hemp, are all excellent choices for a heart-healthy diet. What makes them so beneficial? For starters, they're packed with fiber, a nutrient that's been found to decrease the risk of heart disease by reducing levels of LDL or bad cholesterol. But that's not all. Nuts and seeds are also rich in healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats help to lower levels of harmful cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol, promoting overall heart health. But remember, moderation is key. While nuts and seeds are nutritious, they're also high in calories. So, aim for a handful a day to reap their benefits without overdoing it. So consider adding a handful of almonds or chia seeds to your diet. So, there you have it. Those are some foods that help prevent heart disease. Let's take a moment to recap. We started with fruits and vegetables, a colorful array of nature's bounty. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these nutritional powerhouses work hard to keep your heart in top shape. Remember, the more variety in color, the more variety in nutrients. Then we moved on to whole grains. With their high fiber content, whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread help to lower bad cholesterol levels, consequently reducing the risk of heart disease. They're not just good for your heart, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied, aiding in weight management. Next, we talked about healthy proteins. We emphasized the importance of lean proteins like fish, poultry, and legumes. These proteins are low in unhealthy fats and high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Finally, we discussed nuts and seeds. These tiny treasures are chock full of heart-healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols that help keep your heart beating strong. Just remember, moderation is key due to their high-calorie content. But let's not forget that while incorporating these foods into your diet is beneficial, it's the overall pattern of your eating choices that most significantly impacts heart health. A balanced diet, coupled with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, is the best recipe for a healthy heart. So as we wrap up, let's remember to celebrate these foods, not just for their ability to help prevent heart disease, but also for their contribution to our overall health and well-being. After all, a healthy heart is a happy heart. What do you think? Do you have any heart-healthy foods to add to our list? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.